Hello again, this is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Today is Jason's 2018 F550. This is a very large truck. It is a Super Duty, obviously. It's one of those utility trucks, so it doesn't even have a truck bed on it. But it's got these big boy wheels and some big boy everything. Pretty much it's a big boy truck. It had, of course, the stock headlights on it, which are right here. I saved one of those. We already had very significant premature wear on the top, the yellowing and the chipping and the fading and all that terrible stuff. But the primary concern, of course, is that these are halogen reflectors, meaning that they're going to be terrible light output. So I did a Projector retrofit, just my standard run-of-the-mill Morimoto MD2S Stage 3 retrofit kit. So it's running a 50 watt HID setup, and his requirement was that it just wanted to look as stock as possible. He does not want this truck to stand out for whatever that's gonna be worth. But the idea is that, you know, the headlights don't stand out. They just look normal and typical. Didn't even want LED bulbs anywhere throughout the truck. And that's totally fine with me, because the fact of the matter is that these things kick ass, and now he can actually see at night. Now, word of warning, because this, as I said, is a 2018 F550, so 2018 would imply a different headlight style. These are actually the 14 to 16 headlight style. I'm not even really sure, to be honest. But also another note is that it was actually more cost effective to purchase new aftermarket replica housings rather than to open and reuse the original ones. So we did not do that, and this actually saved him a lot of money and looks a lot better because now it's officially the shiniest thing on this truck. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be in the video description. Every set is custom made to order, so your pricing may vary. If you're interested in a set for yourself, by all means shoot me an email. That information is also all going to be located in the video description. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thank you so much for watching. You have yourselves a wonderful day. See ya.